Wait, dude. Okay, you know what? What's your melee button? Like, what's your button for melee? Like the one you use to bash in doors. Take out your knife and use the melee button. One button.
Oh shit! Wait, don't pick that.
Keep your head down.
Wait, just do it and then get down immediately.
Yeah, I'm shit. Just use the other guy.
Sorry, man. I watched that.
They're not happy.
We're not fighting for their happiness.
We are fighting for their oil.
We're fighting for America!
Yeah, America. Yeah.
Yeah! Fuck yeah!
Oil.
Invite me.
That a fucking laser I see.
Oh,
Right. 762 NATO. Thank you very much.
Oh.
I'm reloading.
Bruh.
Sorry.
Let's just hope they don't call a fucking helo and like. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking serious?
Fucking jinxed it.
God damn it! The literal
Well, you just
the literal instant I said it, they get a fucking helo. Bruh. I don't know what his plan was. Yeah, I got him. Thanks for the call out, mate. Yo, we got the truck. Thank you.
Why does it sound so mushy? Uh-oh. 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 Instantly fucking leaves. Jesus Christ.
He's messaging me. He's like, I wasn't there. What the fuck?
Wait, right back. We can find you in the logs. We have you.
Yeah, why not then?
Okay, gamers, let's do this. Everyone in, everyone in, everyone in. This is fucking working. Okay.
Wait, can
So
someone
sorry.
reset,
Alright.
like, screen share?
What the hell are you guys doing?
Okay, guys. Stop here for a sec. Okay, we're gonna regroup. All right. So Sergeant Sudzik is gonna stay behind, and the rest of all of us are gonna flank A. All right, and we fucking got this. All right, everyone, let's do some squats. Let's do some
Please
squats.
screen share. I want to watch this. Please.
Yeah. All right, guys, let's do this. Everybody go.
Allah.
Sudge, stay behind.
May I
Sudge.
stay here with Such?
No, IRS, stick with us.
Allah is with you. Good luck.
Thank you, Sudge. We won't let you down. I swear to God, if you get stuck again, by the way.
I'm trying to get stuck again.
Fuck.
No, don't.
Everybody,
We're getting shot. We're getting shot.
run. Keep going. Don't stop.
Holy fuck! I got
We must not relent. Okay, holy shit, we're here. Okay.
I'm
Go.
On the balcony, on top. One on top.
You just 3 people, am I right?
no car.
We got like a bunch of people in here. It just didn't work.
Are you camping?
Alright, guys, everyone hide on one. Our cause is having the single greatest flank in literally all of history.
The church of Trevor.
Watch
Yeah.
out, watch out.
Everyone, come on. Flank, yeah.
We can't shoot.
Jesus fucking Christ.
I'm
What the
getting
fuck?
to you
Shut the
guys.
fuck up, dude.
What is?
Is someone recording yet? Mike, what?
Mike,
Okay.
yeah, our
Okay,
YouTuber.
okay. We have to hope he doesn't notice us. Run. In this window. Oh my
How the
god.
fuck is everyone on B?
How the fuck is this working? Alright. Okay.
It's like
Let's go
fucking
down here.
Call of Duty,
Let's go
it's
down
all
here, let's
galled
go
up
down here,
mission.
This is seriously sneaky shit.
It's like Mama Duck and her small ducklings.
Okay.
No, it's like all galled up mission
Alright,
Call of
alright,
Duty
alright.
4.
Clear. Actually, no,
Oh,
let's go
am I above you
north.
guys?
Let's go north.
I'm above you guys.
I'm gonna check. I'm gonna peek my head out. Check. Boom!